Hello, this is Ashi from Crafting with Ashi and welcome to this video. This is the little project we're making today. It's this cute little magnet. Isn't it sweet? So let me show you how I did it. I just got the magnet base online and I've just taken the lid off, and then inside was this little piece here of white cardstock, and all I've done is measured that and made that the same as my piece here of Whisper White, and that actually measures for my magnet anyway. That measures 1 3/4 inches by 2 3/4 inches, but obviously the measurements might vary for yours, but if you just measure maybe the internal piece of paper, then you know exactly what you're doing. The stamps that we're going to be using is this one called Special Someone, and I'll be using these little critters here, and I've got everything set up in my Stamparatus because this is a two-step stamp. So we're going to stamp first with some, what's a smoky slate. Okay, I'm going to stamp the base image with that, and then down and just hold it there for a second, and then up. Lovely. Okay, and then I'm just going to clean that off using the simple chamois. So here's a nice cleany stamp again. Put him over there, and then I've got the second part here, and I'm just going to arrange this on top of my first part. Let me close, and then I'm just going to pick that up with my Stamparatus, make sure that's back in the corner like it was, and then I'm going to stamp that with some basic grey ink, which is this one here, and then down, hold it in place, give it a bit of a press, and there, perfect. Here's our little critter. Isn't he cute? And then, as before, just give everything a little clean up, and then move that one aside. I'm just keeping my spare stamps here at the top of my stamp plate so that I can see, and then I'm going to use this one here, and this is a sentiment that says happy birthday, and I made this initially, let me put this back properly in the corner. I made this initially because it's my mother's birthday on the 9th of, was her birthday, this will go out on the 9th of July, so I've made one of these for her. So I thought I'd share the project with you too. So put that back. Also stamp this one in some basic grey. I've not really stamped that very well. I'm going to clean it up and try again, and I know why, because I've got it so close to the edge that I can't actually get into ink it, which is never clever. So, problem to solve that, I'm just going to move my piece of paper to roughly there, stick it down with my magnet, and then arrange my sentiment again there, and then pick it up. Now I can ink it up nicely, and then it's so small. There we go, perfect. So that's everything in our Stamparatus done. Just let me give this all a bit of a clean before the ink migrates everywhere. Okay, so close that up and set that aside. Close up this ink pad here. Okay, and then I'm going to use this little one called Magenta Madness, and then I've got, I'm going to use this tiny stamp here of the butterfly, this one there, and I've just got this on a block because I just want to be able to see where to put this, and I'm only going to do a few, and I think it just gives it a pop of colour. and maybe one there. Okay, just like that. So close this up too, and then all I'm going to do is bring my base in, fit this back into my base, and it should fit fine because it's the same size as the piece of paper I took out. And then all I'm going to do is fit my top over the top, and there you go. Magnets. Isn't that lovely? I think they're cute. What do you think? Lovely little gift. So I hope you liked it. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want any information, supply list, links to my online shop, that's all in the description box along with my social media links. So thank you once again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!